Now that you've trimmed, sharpened, colored, and captioned, you are ready to save your GIF and share it with the world. Right now, the image is probably too big. Click on Image, then Image Size to adjust the size of the GIF. Usually around 500 pixels wide is a good frame of reference for posting online. To save your GIF, choose File, then Save for Web Legacy. Now you'll see a bunch of settings all about how to export your GIF. Make sure you have GIF selected. Most of these settings have to do with color selection. Saved web files are limited to 256 colors, and Adobe has to choose which ones are the most important. This is how the colors are chosen, and this is how they will be blended. High percentage dither means more color, but it will also make your file larger. Adding lossy will make the file smaller, but it will sacrifice quality in the process. Play around and see what looks best with your GIF. You want to try to keep the file size under 5 megabytes for most sites. Lastly, export your GIF, and you are ready to post.